Have you ever been on Amazon, made a few purchases, and later wish you could just erase your order history? Maybe it's for privacy, maybe you want to keep surprises a secret, or maybe you just don't want certain for example, items showing up on your account. The tricky part is that Amazon doesn't make this easy. There is no big obvious delete order button, and if you try random methods you find online, most of them either don't work or only hide things temporarily. For example, before we start, it's really important to understand one key thing about Amazon order history. Amazon does not currently allow users to permanently delete orders from their account. Once an order is placed, there is no option to completely erase it. However, Amazon does allow something called archiving orders. Archiving removes selected orders from your main order history view, making them hidden from your regular lists and much more private. This is the only official method Amazon provides, and it's the safest and most effective way to clean up your order history. That's why in this video I'm gonna show you the real step-by-step way to properly archive your Amazon orders. Let's get started. First, make sure you are logged into your Amazon account. You're just gonna go in the top right here and click on orders here. That's gonna be under account or your account here. Here you're gonna find all your orders or all your purchases. You're just gonna find a button here that says archive. You're just gonna click on it. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. Thank you for watching. See you next video.